Welcome back to slightly overcast and breezy Norfolk. This morning I thought we'd take a look at some Colocasias. In front of you, 3 Colocasias here. I stay in the ground all winter. Look at them already. Where are we now? The start of early July. Huge leaves already. Fantastic plants. They've stayed in the ground all winter. Little experiment. They're going to stay in the ground all winter again. There's 3 different sorts here. This one is. I'll just put my hand in. Let me see if I can get my hand in for scale. I don't think you can really see it, but big leaves. Lovely burgundy coloured stems. And you won't be surprised to hear it's called Burgundy Stem. If we look at the back of a leaf, lovely burgundy ribs on there. Out of the 3 you see in front of you, probably the least hardy is my guess, but I've had it survive in my old garden for many years, returning. And the same as the other 2, they return consistently every year. The one next to it is Gargoliensis. That's a bit of a tongue twister, this one. Possibly my favourite. Let's just look at the leaf here. If you look at the leaf, it's fantastic leaf. This is pink china next door that we'll look at in a minute. Reliably hardy through most of the country. But this one is also reliably hardy through most of the country. And it's, to my mind, a slightly more attractive plant. Let's have a look behind there. If we look carefully behind, you can see it's actually flowering at the minute. The flowers, in my opinion, don't bring too much to the party, but still nice to have just the same. So, nice hardy Colocasia for the tropical style garden in the UK or any cold climate. Next to it, pink china. Pink china is so called because of the pink, we look here, because of the pink stems. Another really reliable one for the garden, and it multiplies readily. I put 2 little pieces in here when I planted them. And if we look under here, you'll see there's almost a forest of pink stems coming up. As I say, another fantastic Colocasia for the garden. Let me just step back. So there you have it. I'll continue to run this little test, see how they go. They'll stay in again this winter, and we'll call back at some point in the summer and see how big they get. I'm impressed. It's a nice sheltered corner they're in. They're up against a house wall, so it's not open ground they're in. But for this point in the year, I'm really impressed with the size of the leaves. So there you go. 3 hardy, or nearly hardy, Colocasias for the exotic style garden in a cooler climate. On the left, Burgundy Stem. In the middle, Gargoliensis. And to the right, pink china. I thoroughly recommend them all. You should be able to track most of them down at a nursery, or pink china, possibly a garden centre. So if you haven't got one and you want to add a tropical touch to your garden, I'd highly recommend all of them. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Until next time, I'm off to do a bit more gardening. See you soon.